sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is a dark fantasy RPG that's free to play.
Do not interrupt me while I'm doing my job.
It's available to play cross-platform on mobile and PC. This game is absolutely fantastic. Oh yeah! The aim of the game is to open shards to collect champions and build an army. So let's go ahead and open some shards. Okay, we've got Catapract, level 1, rare. He's alright, but we're probably gonna have to sacrifice him to upgrade some others. We've got Bone Knight, bit of an arrow in his chest, and a big axe. Alright, we've got Sakira. Epic! Oh yeah! I'm gonna head over to the tavern and try and upgrade some champions. Sakira, she's an epic, I like her. We're gonna have to upgrade her. Level 7! Oh yeah! All of her stats have been increased! They've recently launched the highly anticipated Battle Pass Season 1. You can log on there and win some very good rewards. If you use the link in the description, you'll get 100,000 silver, 2 clan boss keys, 10 mystery shards, and a free awesome champion, the Executioner. Look at that champion! Look at it! You get this champion for free! God damn it! To claim your rewards, you will find them in your inbox for the next 30 days only. So hit that link if you want to claim your rewards.